Welcome to this video on high-impact analytical software skills for career growth. We'll discuss how to build credibility and market value in risk and financial analytics. Analytical software skills are crucial because they help convert data into decisions. These tools increase professional credibility, career mobility, and compensation potential. They are essential in banking and risk roles, complementing professional certifications. When selecting the best software skills, consider market demand in banking and risk roles, practical applicability on real datasets, alignment with regulatory and risk frameworks, and the ability to demonstrate measurable impact. Advanced Excel remains a core skill. It's the primary tool in finance and risk, trusted for regulatory reporting. Core competencies include advanced formulas, scenario analysis, Power Query for automation, and Power Pivot. Applications include liquidity analysis and IRRBB. Power BI is essential for visualization power, transforming analysis into executive insights. Key skills include data modeling, DAX measures, and interactive dashboards. Use it for risk dashboards, limit monitoring, and stress testing visualization. Python adds high credibility for advanced analytics, efficiently handling large datasets and enabling simulations. Key skills include statistical analysis, data visualization, Monte Carlo simulation, and use of pandas and NumPy. Applications include FX value at risk and model validation. The recommended strategic skill stack combines Advanced Excel, Power BI, and Python for financial analytics. This positions you as a high-value risk professional, covering regulatory, analytical, and strategic needs, and aligning with global frameworks. These skills lead to a stronger professional profile, higher recognition, and global competitiveness. Professional credibility comes from proof of work, such as models, dashboards, and case studies. A good learning roadmap starts with Excel and Power BI, followed by Python analytics. In conclusion, skills accelerate careers. Focus on impact and industry dynamics, and prioritize continuous learning to stay competitive.